Underwater treadmill is a form of hydrotherapy that provides a safe, low-impact exercise. The water level is filled to the desired height depending on what he or she's here for. The more water we put in the treadmill, the more support it gives to the patient. The less water, the more difficult it is for their legs to bend. The water level is chosen for the desired benefit. Edge Park is a greyhound that came to see us after a serious spinal cord injury. We did a few months of rehab with him, including various exercises and water treadmill therapy. This is Edge's story.
Edge suffered a very serious spinal injury, and when we brought him into rehab, he was unable to walk. Before rehab, he was a mess. We've been coming to Marda Loop for that particular episode, and that was over a period of about 3 months. The rehab team here was great. We had Amber, who spent a whole lot of time in the tank, in the water treadmill tank with Edge, and she motivated that dog every single time. She went the distance to make sure he got the outcome that he needed. Our overall experience with Marda Loop was great because we had the right people, the right treatment. After we brought Edge to rehab, he showed continual improvement, which was just amazing, and he gained the ability to walk again.
The water provides buoyancy that helps take the weight off sore joints and gives extra support for those pets having difficulty with mobility. Almost 60 to 80% of the patient's weight can be supported by the water. This treatment also provides resistance that promotes maximum muscle use, increased range of motion, and minimum pain during exercise. Underwater treadmill helps build more muscle and strength compared to walking on land. We use it for pets recovering from surgery and ones that have various neurologic conditions. We also use it for senior pets with poor balance, coordination, painful joints, and weakness. It's also great for young healthy dogs who are training for fitness, agility, in need of aerobic conditioning, or just need to lose some weight. Maximilian is a silver pug who's been coming to the Marda Loop Vet Center for a few years now for treatment of his hip dysplasia. Max comes into the water treadmill on a weekly basis and also has a home exercise program. This is Max's story.
Well, before rehab, I'd say about 2 years ago, he started yelping when running up the stairs and eventually couldn't even go up the stairs or jump onto things. He was in a lot of pain. The first visit was great. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but Max got on the treadmill. It took him a couple tries to start walking. He wasn't sure either what was going on, but with some encouragement and some treats, he got it almost right away. The rehab team, especially Amber, is fantastic. They really bond well with Max and understand him and are very friendly, very helpful people. Within, I'd say, a month of starting rehab, the difference was night and day. He can run up the stairs, jump up on the furniture, play, run around. He doesn't yelp in pain anymore, and he seems to be a lot happier. And overall, our experience with Marda Loop has been wonderful. He comes every week for his rehab, so everybody knows him and loves him here, and they've been great, whether it's been something urgent that we've had to come in for or just his routine checkups. The vets here, the staff, the physios have all been wonderful.
Some patients come for a few weeks at a time, some come for a few months, and some need water treadmill for life. The rehab veterinarian is the one who will decide how often and for how long is optimal for each patient. But patients and families are all different, so the program is tailored to each individual. The Marda Loop Veterinary Clinic is located in southwest Calgary, Alberta. The address is 4016 16th Street Southwest. Our phone number is 403-243-8873, and our email is info@mardaloopvet.ca.